Does modern wheat have more gluten? Dr. Donald Casarda, a scientist with the USDA's Agricultural Research Service, investigated this allegation in a paper that appeared in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2013. So what he did was he surveyed data from the 20th and 21st centuries, and he found that the gluten content of wheat has not, in fact, increased. And additionally, in a speech at the International Celiac Disease Symposium in Chicago in September of 2013, Dr. Casarda also stated that that dwarf wheat is a natural cultivar and that the genes for dwarfism and the genes for gluten are not associated in the genetic makeup of modern wheat. More recently, an analysis of more than 200 wheat lines from the 18th century through modern times also found no increases in proteins known to trigger adverse reactions. Specifically, Shuri and colleagues found a decrease in some minerals like iron, zinc, and magnesium over time, small increases in fiber over time, and increased starch and decreased protein over time. And again, let's remember that gluten is formed by protein. So less protein would indicate less gluten generally in this case. And also he found a decrease in the gliadin to glutenin ratio, which indicates a decrease in celiac disease antigens in modern wheat. There is a big caveat here, and that's that Dr. Casarda's data do show that average consumption of gluten is rising, especially in the last 15 to 20 years. But why is that so if the wheat's not changing? This is because gluten is being added as an isolated ingredient in many processed foods. A lot of commercial sandwich breads will have vital wheat gluten added to make them very fluffy. And we also see it added as an ingredient in other products as well. So it's true that we are getting more gluten in our diet, but maybe not necessarily from where we would suspect.